Welcome, today in front of me OPPO F21 Pro 5G, and I'll show you how to change just fingerprint sensor animation on this device. So let's just first open the settings application and then scroll down to the passwords and security, then click here to fingerprint section, draw the pattern or enter the password, and after that click here to fingerprint animation. After that, just switch animation to one from this ones. For example, we'll go with this one. After that, let's just lock the device, and now we can see that we just successfully changed our fingerprint sensor animation on our OPPO device. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.